Hi. I've been sitting here planning to read a book, and then I thought, why not make a video? And then I thought to myself, that's the real deal about vlogging. You can do it anywhere you want, anytime you want, and that's great. And you can just upload an awkward video, which is the one I'm gonna upload right now. Just sitting here with my dog. She's just minding her own business. Ayita here. Hey, baby. Have a nice day, guys. I'm chilling outside today, reading a book, meeting a friend. Looking terrible, but that's life. See you later, guys.